World Environmental Health Day 26 September. This day is celebrated on 26 September every year by the International Federation of Environmental Health Council to promote the awareness of different issues surrounding the environment health. The World Environmental Health Day celebration started in 2012 at IFEH, meeting an inaugural event of Environmental Health Youth Summit in Denpasar, Bali, Indonesia. IFEH is an international organization promoting the significance of environmental health and provide a common global platform for national organizations who are working for the same cause. For more than 32 years, IFEH actively working to improve the health issues that constantly threaten the human well-being to promote the study of environmental health. There are many environmental issues like pollution, greenhouse effects, climate change, urbanization, etc., which is deteriorating the equality of the environment, air, water, food, etc., which is essential for human survival in day-to-day life. For awareness about this issue, it is needed that we held some programs in schools, colleges, and universities like seedling plantation by children, speech on World Environmental Health Day theme, and other activities are conducted to educate the students.